it is the run up to the holidays, and what better way to do that than to have some cocktails with Corinne and Jeff. This is my son Jeff. If you haven't seen the last cocktail video, we are making a series of videos using a single unique ingredient, this one being Benedictine. So Benedictine, if you didn't catch it on the last go around, is a liqueur.
It's a French liqueur. Very herbaceous, just a lot more sweet.
Would you ever have that just by itself?
You can, or ice. It is actually quite delicious, and they also make the B&B, which is the Benedictine and brandy, which is even more sweet, but a little more complex and delicious.
Yeah, we are making a
Chrysanthemum. So this is my variation of a chrysanthemum. We are going to start off by taking our mixing glass and filling it full of ice.
We did that for the last one too. So these are stirred drinks, not shaken drinks. So 2.5 ounces of gin.
Yep.
A half ounce of that Benedictine.
Yep. Pour that in there.
Now it's a slightly yellow color.
And then we're going to take our bar spoon and stir for 30 to 40 seconds. Or for this intermission.
And cut!
We've got this all stirred and diluted. We are going to take our juniper strainer, put that on top, take our spray absinthe.
So you just poured some into a spray bottle.
And you want to do 3 sprays in here. While my lovely assistant over here does that. I'll just stare at the camera awkwardly.
Awkward staring. There's 3 squirts in my mouth and in the glass.
Oh yeah, it's better than Banaka.
Yeah, it's actually, what's that taste like? Licorice.
Yep, black licorice.
Okay. Absinthe has got a rap. Like,
It's got a bad rap. It's
wormwood.
fantastic.
I heard it makes people crazy.
Oh yeah, that's the old stuff.
It tastes exactly like black licorice.
You're going to strain into the glass. Alright, and then we are going to take our washed orange. You want to go from head to toe on this. And once you get to the bottom, just snap it off.
Yeah.
So we're going to take our swath of orange and we are going to pinch it from either side to express the oils into the glass. And once that's done, we're going to take that and rub it along the outside of the glass to get the rest of those little oils onto the lip so that when you take a sip, you get a little bit more of an orange punch to it. Then you're going to just take it, twist it, give it a little bit of a twist, and drop it in there for a garnish.
That's lovely.
And ta-da, that is a chrysanthemum.
So, what is this, an old-fashioned drink? Like from the 20s? Do you know the history?
I know absolutely nothing about this, other than it's delicious. Yeah, don't choke on it either.
Oh, I like that even better than the last one. Cheers, you guys.
Cheers.